'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive, and now I know the thrill to fall in love.
Hello guys! Good morning! I'm taking my kids out. Pupunta kami ngayon sa mall. Kasama ko si Shobe, at saka si Sean, at saka si Kuya. But first, dadalhin ko muna si Bernadette sa X-ray doon sa SM The Black. Kailangan niyang X-ray sa teeth niya for the preparation for her braces lang. Tapos ikot-ikot na din kami guys doon sa SM. Okay guys, samahan nyo kami, but don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa parking.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, play this game and play the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? Out of sight, the way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, play this game and play the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie?
Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Dalapid Dental Center. Dito kami guys magpapa-x-ray sa teeth ni Bernadette. Kaka-open lang guys ng clinic, exactly 11 AM. Hi guys, eto naghihintay na kami sa tour ni Bernadette para siya na yung kukuhanan ng x-ray. Medyo na-shock lang ako guys kasi may kamahalan pala talaga. X-ray lang ng ipin guys, umabot siya ng 4,990. So almost 5,000. X-ray lang yon, tsaka may model. Okay lang yun guys, kailangan kasi niya talaga dahil magpapa-braces siya. Yeah. And this is my Shan. Hi! Ice cream. Oh, wow! You are so good! Yun ang ano guys, si Shan, mahilig siya magawa ng ganyan sa cellphone niya. See how
What do you want, mommy?
gusto niyo ng ano, ng yung pink na lang? Yung ito? Kaya lang, ano, for fried rice. Tapos, mamaya na kayo. Ang sa akin, order kami ng tapos nagin tayo ng salad. Tapos ayun chicken. Okay na yan? Ha? Are you hungry now? Huh? Are you hungry now?
Yes.
Huh? Say hi mo na.
Hi.
Gutom na kami guys. We need to wait for our food because
I have to. Do I have to wait another 1 hour?
yes, of course, we have to be patient because the shift cook is busy at this moment. You have
Okay,
to-
let me just turn on Mr. Dr. Mira and
Ano, like it? Huh? You like it? Be smile, be. Smile.
take water. Is the lemon edible? Huh?
Hi. Sobe. No. Salmon sashimi is one of my favorite, my comfort food. I'll go there, oh. Ay, hindi ito pwede pumasok dyan eh. Ha? Chan. Okay na, let's go na.